Ever thrown a party only to find your fridge's ice maker failing, leaving guests with lukewarm drinks? Or battled with ice trays that produce cloudy, fast-melting cubes that ruin your cocktails? This Silonn Ice Maker's countertop, 44 pounds per day, is your ultimate solution, churning out 24 crystal-clear ice cubes in just 13 minutes and up to 44 pounds daily. With its auto self-cleaning feature, dual water-filling options, and sleek stainless steel design, this portable ice machine ensures your beverages stay chilled and flavorful. Perfect for homes, offices, or bars, it's a must-have for ice enthusiasts. Let's dive into why this compact powerhouse transforms every sip into a refreshing delight. The problem it solves: ice shortages can sabotage any gathering, from backyard barbecues to office happy hours. Traditional ice trays are tedious, yielding cloudy cubes that melt quickly, diluting your sodas, iced coffees, or spirits. Store-bought ice bags are costly and inconvenient, and most fridge ice makers lack the speed and quality for high-demand moments. The Silonn Countertop Ice Maker eliminates these frustrations by delivering clear, slow-melting ice cubes at lightning speed, ensuring a steady supply of premium ice without constant refills or store runs. Why choose the Silonn Countertop Ice Maker? The Silonn Countertop Ice Maker blends cutting-edge technology with user-friendly design, making it a top pick for anyone craving perfectly chilled drinks. With a 44-pound daily output, 2 water-filling methods, and auto self-cleaning, it's built for performance and ease. Here's what sets it apart: lightning-fast ice production. Produces 24 ice cubes in 13 minutes and up to 44 pounds daily, ideal for serving 3 to 5 people or hosting large parties without ice shortages. Premium ice quality. Creates crystal clear, solid ice cubes that are odor-free, melt slowly, and minimize dilution, preserving the flavor of your cocktails, smoothies, or sodas. Adjust ice thickness for customized drinks. Dual water filling options. Features a 3.0 L water tank with manual filling or bottle connection, bottle not included, offering flexibility for continuous ice production with fewer refills. Auto self-cleaning. A 20-minute cleaning cycle activates with a button press, ensuring fresh, hygienic ice and extending the machine's lifespan without manual scrubbing. Compact and stylish. Measuring 13.78-inch dx 9.53, wx 14.57h. This stainless steel ice maker fits any countertop and is portable for home, office, or outdoor events. The angled flip-top cover simplifies ice access and monitoring. Quiet operation. Runs at a low noise level around 45 decibels, maintaining a peaceful environment while producing high-quality ice efficiently. User-friendly design. Includes a removable 2.6 pounds ice basket and scoop, with sensors that stop production when the basket is full or water is low, preventing overflows and messes. Key benefits of the Silonn Countertop Ice Maker: enhanced drink experience. Clear, slow-melting ice cubes cool. Drinks quickly without diluting flavors, ensuring every sip of your whiskey, iced tea, or smoothie is vibrant and refreshing. Effortless convenience. The auto self-cleaning feature and dual water-filling options simplify operation and maintenance, saving time and ensuring a steady ice supply. Versatile portability. The compact, lightweight design, under 20 pounds, makes it perfect for home kitchens, office break rooms, bars, or outdoor events like camping and tailgates. Perfect for the Silonn Countertop Ice Maker is ideal for party hosts. Keeps cocktails, mocktails, and soft drinks chilled at barbecues, birthdays, or dinner parties, impressing guests with premium ice. Office managers. Enhances break rooms with high-quality ice for water, coffee, or sodas, boosting employee satisfaction and hydration. Home bar enthusiasts. Delivers restaurant-grade ice for craft cocktails or spirits, elevating your mixology game. Outdoor adventurers. Portable and durable. It's perfect for camping, RV trips, tailgates, or backyard gatherings where ice is essential. Small space dwellers. Its compact footprint fits apartments, dorms, or tiny kitchens, offering big performance without clutter. Real user insights. Users rave about the Silonn Countertop Ice Maker for its speed and ice quality, noting that its clear, solid cubes rival those in upscale restaurants. The self-cleaning feature is a standout, making maintenance effortless. though many recommend filtered water for optimal taste and clarity. Some mention that ice can clump in the 2.6 pounds basket if not transferred to a freezer, but a quick shake separates the cubes. Noise levels are low, with a slight hum during ice dropping cycles, similar to a fridge hum. The dual water filling options are praised for flexibility, though the water bottle isn't included, which some find inconvenient. A few users note the lid hinges feel delicate after heavy use, so gentle handling is advised. Overall, its affordability, reliability, and performance make it a top choice. How it works. Using the Silonn Ice Maker is a breeze. 1. Fill the 3.0L reservoir manually or connect a water bottle, not included, for continuous production. 2. Select ice size, press the power button, and watch 24 cubes form in 13 minutes through the angled flip-top cover. 3. Use the scoop to retrieve ice from the removable 2.6 pounds basket. For maintenance, activate the 20-minute self-cleaning cycle with a button press or clean the basket and scoop with soapy water. Use filtered water for the clearest, tastiest ice. Keep the machine upright for 24 hours before first use to optimize performance. The stainless steel housing wipes clean easily, maintaining its sleek appearance. Why clear ice matters. Unlike cloudy, air-filled bullet ice, Silonn's crystal-clear square cubes are crafted with advanced refrigeration technology, ensuring density and clarity. These cubes cool drinks faster and melt slower, preserving the rich flavors of your cocktails, iced coffees, or sparkling water. Perfect for everything from a chilled martini to a seafood platter. They deliver a premium, professional-grade experience that elevates every occasion. Potential considerations. The Silonn Ice Maker shines, but consider these points. Ice storage. The 2.6 pounds basket isn't refrigerated, so ice may melt if not transferred to a freezer. Store excess cubes in a freezer bag to prevent clumping. Noise level. At around 45 decibels, it's quieter than many competitors, but ice dropping cycles may produce a soft hum, which most find unobtrusive. Hinge durability. The lid hinges may feel delicate after extended use, so handle gently. Water bottle not included. The bottle filling option requires a separate purchase, which may inconvenience some users. Water quality. Use filtered water to avoid mineral buildup and ensure the clearest, best tasting ice. Why buy now? The Silonn Countertop Ice Maker delivers premium features at a budget-friendly price, rivaling high-end brands like GE Opal or Frigidaire. Its 44-pound daily output, self-cleaning convenience, and dual water-filling options offer unmatched value, while the compact, stainless steel design fits any lifestyle. Whether you're hosting a party, upgrading your office, or camping under the stars, this machine ensures endless, high-quality ice. With a 1-year warranty and stellar user reviews, it's a low-risk investment in better drinks. Comparison to competitors. Compared to the Uhami, 40 pounds per day, or Antarctic Star, 34 pounds per day. The Silonn's 44-pound output and dual water-filling options provide superior capacity and flexibility. While the Uhami offers a water recycling system, Silonn's clear ice cubes and adjustable thickness ensure better drink quality. Its compact size, 13.78-inch DX 9.53, WX 14.57H, is smaller than many competitors, and the stainless steel build adds durability and style. The 20-minute self-cleaning cycle is faster than some models requiring 30 minutes. Tips for optimal use. Pre-use prep. Let the machine sit upright for 24 hours before use to allow the refrigerant to settle. Water choice. Use filtered or bottled water for the clearest, tastiest ice. Storage hack. Transfer ice to freezer bags to prevent melting and clumping in the basket. Cleaning schedule. Run the self-cleaning cycle weekly with a vinegar water mix to prevent mineral buildup. Lid care. Handle the flip, top cover gently to avoid stressing the hinges. Why it's a game changer. The Silonn Countertop Ice Maker isn't just about ice. It's about elevating your lifestyle. From hosting epic parties to enjoying a quiet iced coffee, this machine ensures you're always prepared with premium, slow-melting ice. Its portable, compact design, self-cleaning ease, and dual water options make it a versatile companion, while its affordability delivers luxury without breaking the bank. Say goodbye to ice trays and store runs This is the future of refreshing drinks. Join the ice revolution. Don't let warm drinks or ice shortages ruin your vibe. The Silonn Countertop Ice Maker, 44 pounds per day, delivers restaurant-quality ice with unmatched speed, style, and convenience. Whether you're a home entertainer, office manager, or outdoor enthusiast, this compact, self-cleaning ice machine is your key to perfect beverages. Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications and bring home this ice-making superstar today. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.